Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the newly added Update Data button in Mavin. So first off, you're going to be in your layer editor and you're going to be in the General Layer Configuration tab. You can see that this Update Data button in green has been added beneath the Allow Editing dropdown. So if you click that, what it's going to allow you to do is choose between appending to the existing layer or replacing the existing layer's data. So what that means is that you can either replace the current layer with the original by doing replace existing layers data and dropping that file in there, or you can append to the existing layer, which means you can merge the current layer with the original layer in order to bring back features that you had already deleted, or add features or add maybe just to undo changes, that type of thing. So for example, if I'm in a map looking at parks and I ended up deleting some features, say I deleted couple of areas or maybe changed some shapes. Anyway, regardless, if I did some edits and I saved them, but I wanted to go back to what it was before, I can either replace the entire existing layer with the original layer. So I can do that, and I can go in and I can find my original downloaded layer and replace it, or I can append to the existing layer. So if I didn't want to get rid of the changes that I made, but I wanted to merge whatever was missing, so get back the stuff that I've deleted, I can choose to append. And if I click submit, it's going to take a second to load, and then it'll take you back to your layers screen. And you have to make sure that the processing is complete. So make sure that when you're looking at your notifications that your processing is done. As soon as it is, you can click on that layer, and you can see that not only are my changes still there, but also whatever I deleted has come back because I appended it. So I merged the two layers together. And that's it. Thanks for listening.